Hello friends, today's word of the day is cornucopia. Cornucopia, which means overabundance of good things. And here in this video, I'm going to make a story out of these words with the help of these words. So, we are as a language learner from village, from city. We have cornucopia of resources on YouTube, on other learning platforms where we can easily learn English. Yes, of course, we can learn easily because we have cornucopia of resources, cornucopia of many different things, that helps you to learn, which is available. Okay, but we don't know how to recognize it, how to find it. And to find it, we have to search it because it has no link and nothing that can comes to you. But it is you who has to know how to find it. And it is by searching. And yes, we also have many different learning platforms, okay, for learning English, where you can practice one-to-one with many different co-learners. But since we have paucity of idea about it, so we are running sort of platform, okay. But I think you've understood the word cornucopia. Okay, once again, I'm reiterating. It means I'm repeating cornucopia. Cornucopia means overabundance of good things. Like we have cornucopia of food at home, means we have lots of food at home. Okay, I hope you got these words. So thanks for watching this video, and if you are new to this video, please like and subscribe and leave your comment down below so that I can understand your opinion about this video. Thank you so much for the time of being by. Love you, my friends.